Okay, here's a little deal of potch and colour. Hopefully get a few gems out of it. Rules in millimetres. Material's been wetted. The white that you might be able to see sometimes is the reflection of the lights. Like across here, I'm seeing that. Anyway, I'm going a bit closer. Okay, I've just gone in a bit closer. I'm not going to do every piece with this. It's a big piece. Doesn't look like it's got a lot of colour in it. A bit over here. Maybe something like that. Just grind it down and have it as a large pendant rather than try to cut a stone out of it. Most of these look like you're going to have to grind it down to see what you've got. That piece doesn't look like it's got anything in it. Some other pieces here that have got colour. Bit of colour on the end there. If it goes down, it's hard to see. It's a bit more promising. Looks like each piece has got some colour, but that piece is a nice piece. But you're not going to cut a clean gemstone. I'd just be cutting that into a free form or have it as a little pendant the way it is, rather than try to cut a stone out of that. I think most of this looks a bit like that. It's a piece of me marble cake. Colours there. I'd just be cutting that into a rounder, pleasing shape. Not trying to follow the bar because the bar's twisted. I've got these other pieces here with bits and pieces of colour on it. I think that gives you an idea. This is probably an interesting piece. Nice little bright bar in the middle there. Anyway, I hope you've enjoyed looking. Cheers.